One day, farm animals and wild animals decided to play football together. The elephant was the umpire for the game. On the wild animals team, there was a lion, a tiger, a fox, a reindeer, a bear, and a wolf. On the farm animals team, there was a monkey, a deer, a cow, and a sheep. There was a tree in the field with a honeycomb hanging from its branches. As a result, the honeycomb fell, and the honeybees began to swarm around the animals. Frightened, the animals ran off in all directions.
Oh shit!
While playing, the ball accidentally hit the honeycomb.
Oh no!